About some days ago, I introduced this new airdrop called GAYA. GAYA has now released their eligibility criteria. So for you to be able to receive this airdrop, that is, if you participated, you must meet up with this criteria. If you check here on my Telegram channel, you will see that I posted this criteria. I immediately released it yesterday afternoon. And what they say is for you to be eligible, you need to have a minimum of 100 XP. For those of you that don't know what XP is what we are currently farming or what we are currently getting. So as at the time when they want to do this their distribution, we'll be able to convert the XP into GAYA tokens. So you must have a minimum of 100 XP for you to be able to be eligible to receive the airdrop. And there are different levels to this thing. For those of you that are in silver, it simply means you must have a minimum of 500 XP. And you must do at least $10 worth of Solana swaps. Yes, very compulsory. You must go and do swap of $10 worth of Solana. We just deposit any coin of your choice. GAYA is a Solana wallet, so you could just do some swaps and but it basically must be minimum of $10. And for those that are in gold, you must have a minimum of 5,000 XP and $50 Solana swap. As for platinum, you must have a minimum of 12,000 XP and $100 worth of Solana swap. As for the referrals, if you notice, anytime you refer anybody on your app, it's still currently showing pending. That is because they have not released the referral bonus yet. According to them, they are going to be giving the bonus in the next app update. Now, they say they will be giving you 50 XP per referral, and the referral must be verified through Telegram, and they also give you 300 XP when the referral reaches silver level verification. One important thing you need to note again is when you check your GAYA app, you are going to see your level. It's either you'll be in silver, you'll be in gold, or you'll be in platinum. Now, the requirement for you to maintain this your level is to do all of these swaps respectively. Either it is $10 worth of Solana swap, $50 or $100. You must do it because they are going to be releasing a new app update this week. They said some days. And I brought this information yesterday. So maybe within this week, or let's say between 4 or 5 days, they'll release the update because they didn't say next week. They say in a matter of days, they'll be releasing the new app. Once that new app version comes out and you have not done your swap, it automatically means that your rank is going to reset. And that might probably mean that your XP might be reduced. I don't know. I'm just introducing that. But according to them, your rank is going to be reset. So if you check your level right now and you see your rank, make sure to go and do the Solana swap respective to your rank and then position yourself for the airdrop. And that is basically it. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about Hot Wallet. Hot has also come out with their criteria that you must do transactions on the Hot app for you to be eligible. So for those of you that have checked your HAPI score and your score is below 60, you might probably not be getting anything from Hot Wallet. So I'm going to show you how you get to trade and how you get to increase your HAPI score. In my next video, I'm going to show that to you. So make sure that you're following me here. Turn on the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I upload a new video just like this one. And go and follow me on X. That is where I do drop most of my updates even before making videos on them.